Did you know you could be looking at a fraudulent charge on your bank account right now and not even realize it? It's a scary thought, but in today's digital world, monitoring your finances for suspicious activity is more important than ever. I'm talking about those small, odd charges that pop up unexpectedly. Maybe it's a few dollars from a story you've never heard of, or a double charge that just doesn't look right. I had this happen to me recently with my Regions Bank account, and I want to share exactly how I used the Regions Bank mobile app to catch and report it fast. Catching the clue. First, let's set the scene. I'm a big user of the Regions mobile app. I check it almost daily. One morning, I was just doing my routine check of my transactions, and there it was, a small, almost insignificant charge. It was for a few dollars, from a vendor name I did not recognize at all. My first thought was, did I sign up for a new subscription? But after a moment of reflection, I realized, absolutely not. That gut feeling told me something was off. The power of the app. This is where the convenience of the Regions app really shone. I didn't have to wait on hold, find a branch, or even log into my desktop. The process to dispute or report a suspicious charge is built right into the mobile experience. Here's the breakdown of the key steps I took. I logged in securely. I used my fingerprint ID, which is a great security layer, to get into the app quickly. I found the transaction. I navigated to my checking account and scrolled through the recent activity until I located that suspicious transaction. Remember, look closely at the merchant name and the date. Initiating the report. Now, different banking apps handle this differently, but with Regions, the fastest way I found was to use their dedicated secure messaging feature. I clicked the Help or Message Us option right in the app. Using Reggie for quick action, Regions uses a virtual banker named Reggie. I simply typed a command like dispute a transaction or report fraud. Reggie guided me right into the process of filing a claim. Providing details, I was prompted to select the specific transaction from my list. I confirmed it was unauthorized and provided a brief description of why I believed it was suspicious, that I didn't make the purchase and didn't recognize the merchant. Confirmation and card lock, the best part? Regions immediately opened a claim for the dispute. While that was happening, I also utilized the Regions Lock It feature, which is a game changer. I instantly locked my card for all transactions, preventing any potential further unauthorized use while the claim was being investigated. It gave me instant peace of mind. The takeaway. The entire process, from spotting the charge to filing the dispute and locking my card, took less than 5 minutes, all within the mobile app. It was incredibly streamlined and efficient. The big lesson here isn't just how to do it, but that you must be proactive. Keep your app notifications on for transactions, and check your activity regularly. That quick moment of vigilance can save you a whole lot of headache and protect your money. If you bank with Regions, familiarize yourself with the Lock It feature and the in-app messaging, so you're ready if this ever happens to you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.